I'm losing my mind just a little.
Hello guys, what's up? And for today's video, maghimo ko sa activity nga installing application in Linux Ubuntu. So, as requested sa nako ka schoolmate. So, let's go. Now, first, open your virtual box nga na-installan sa Ubuntu. Then, click this 9 dots to show sa imong application. Then, after clicking this one, click the terminal. So, here we are now, our terminal. I'm using sa nako ka friend nga iyang virtual box ng install. Kaya ang ako anaan naman good. So, here we are. So, here, pag open nimo, of course, in the terminal, you will see your the name of the user who is the user of this desktop. So now we will gonna install the Mac edit by installing the Mac Passman, which is the software kung asa naa dito pod ang application nga Mac edit. So we're gonna type sudo, which is the privilege to be an administrator. So sudo, then snap the new version for apt-get, then install Mac Passman. Mac Passman. So this will be the application that we will need to install. Open your Word. Then here, let's screenshot, paste, then enter. After you enter, mga siya og password, which is imong password sa imuang Ubuntu. Just type it, di mo na siya makita. So type lang, make sure nga correct, then hit enter. Now the Mac Passman is now installing, so let's just wait until ma-install siya ang tanang libraries niya. Di man gini siya dugay, but naay kuan gamay lang nga kuan. Okay. Okay. Screenshot again. Paste. Then after that, we need to type sudo snap connect Mac Passman home, so that we can be connected to the application Mac Passman. Hit enter. Screenshot, paste. Then after that, type ls to show the directories and files of the directory kung asa mo karon. So here, look at this. We're now in the home directory, which is ang naniya ang desktop documents, download music, pictures, public templates, videos. Akong GLS kay tungod nangita ta og file nga text. A file nga text ang iyang file extension. So wala siya. So mag-create na lang ta. So the command nga the command nga ma-create of a new file is cat. instead sa kung sa get bash touch, then here greater than then the name of the file you want. So say roberto.txt. So this one, hit enter. After hitting enter, di siya mo gawas but musulod siya sa imuhang create nga file. And here mangayo siya kung unsay gusto nimo isulod sa imong file. So let's put his name. So muni atong isulod sa file. So enter, then control D to go out from that from the file. Then after that one, hit screenshot sa ta. Then after that one, let's ls again to see. As you can see here in the home directory, naa na siya walberto.txt nga file. Uban sa mga directories ganiha. Aniha, maura niyang directories. Pero pag-abot dire nanay usa ka file nga nadungan. So then, after that, we need to open it in the Mac edit application. So type Mac passman.mac edit. This code will call the application nga Mac edit. So then enter. After hitting enter, mo blue ang screen, which is mahimo siya og Mac ni ang Mac Passman nga Mac edit application. So screenshot, paste, and then here click this one kanang asterisk before sa X, this one, to show these commands, that one. Then after that, click file, screenshot, paste, then again open file, screenshot, and paste. Then you should not forget the name of your file nga imuhang gi-create ganiha, which is atong gi-create is walberto.txt. So here one, walberto.txt, that one. After typing that one, click OK. As you can see, pag click natog OK, kung unsa itong isulat ganiha sa text file, iyang gipagawas. So that's it for the task 1. So let's go now to the second task nga mag-install og zip and unzip nga application. So click the X button. Again, click the X button. Then we can go back to our terminal. So after going back to terminal, let's now install the zip command. The application, I mean. So we're gonna use the old one, the old command. Sudo apt get install zip. Okay. Dali ra siya kaysa kanang sa Mac Passman kay gamay man siya nga application. Then sudo apt get install unzip. So these two application dili siya usa, lahi-lahi siya pag-install o uninstall nimo. Dili siya same sa Microsoft nga naatay software nga ginagamit nga pang zip para ma-archive ang usa ka folder, ma-zip siya or ma-unzip pod ang usa ka folder. Usa ra imong i-install, pero sa Ubuntu duha iyang application. So here mag-ls na pud ta. So wala man tay zip nga file, nga na zip nga file. So we will gonna create a zip file. So atong i-zip si Wilberto.txt nga atong gihimo ganiha. So here we will gonna type zip, the name of the zip, ang zip nga command, then space zip, kanang name sa imong zip nga file. So wag akong i-name sa zip nga file, then the file that you want to zip. So here, screenshot, paste, then let's enter. After hitting enter, it will gonna pop up text that say adding Wilberto text stored 0%. So when you ls again, now you can see that there is another file nga uwag.zip, which is the zip file nga atong unzip karon na pod. So don't forget to screenshot again. Then after zipping that file, atong unzip. So the command for that is very simple lang pod, unzip, then the name of the zip file uwag.zip, then a -d, which means the destination kung asa nimo i-unzip ang imong zip file. So pwede po di ka magbutang og destination, pero mabutang siya kung asa nimo kung asa siya current nga nakabutang ang imong zip file. Pero naa naman gud tay Wilberto.txt sa kato nga directory, so atong i-change iyang destination. So atong pilion is desktop. So after hitting enter, it will now archive uwag.zip, extracting desktop Wilberto.txt. Okay. So space, then ls, cd. Let's go to the desktop. So change directory ta. So cd desktop, enter, then ls. As you can see, na ang desktop wala to'y sulod ganiha. So karon na sulod nga Wilberto.txt gikan sa atong zip file. And that's all. Mura to ang atong himuon and i-pass. So when we open this one, as you can see na diri ang home directory na to where we created ganiha ang Wilberto.txt nga atong gi-zip. Then pag abot sa desktop, naana dito ang atong gi-extract nga zip. And that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something. See you next time.